Okay, so today we're going to show you how Ariel really sings and at the audition for something.
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, my turn first.
So that's Ariel.
Yeah.
Ooh, yuck money.
Next contestant. Next contestant. Ha 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 ha. Okay, no last contestant. I ate pizza. I want kitty food.
Who wins?
I don't know yet. The kitty pizza thing.
Yay! That's who I would have voted for. She rocks with pizza. I love pizza. But back off from
I love
Kathy.
pizza. Yeah.